We will simplify the expression step by step and highlight the key cancellations as visual cues. The expression is open parenthesis 1 minus 1 over x squared, close parenthesis, divided by, open parenthesis, 1 plus 1 over x, close parenthesis. Step 1. Rewrite each part as a single fraction. For the left part, 1 is x squared over x squared. So 1 minus 1 over x squared becomes x squared over x squared minus 1 over x squared, which is x squared minus 1 over x squared. For the right part, 1 is x over x, so 1 plus 1 over x becomes x over x plus 1 over x, which is x plus 1 over x. Now the original expression becomes the fraction x squared minus 1 over x squared, divided by the fraction x plus 1 over x. Step 2. Factor the numerator x squared minus 1 as a difference of squares. X squared minus 1 equals x minus 1 times x plus 1. Step 3. Change division to multiplication by the reciprocal. We multiply by x over x plus 1. Step 4. Cancel the common factor, x plus 1, from numerator and denominator. After cancellation, we get x minus 1 times x over x squared. Step 5. Simplify the remaining x terms. Write it as x minus 1 times x over x squared. X over x squared equals 1 over x. So the result is x minus 1 over x. Important domain note. This simplification is valid when x is not 0 and x is not plus or minus 1. Summary. Rewrite as single fractions, factor the numerator, multiply by the reciprocal, cancel the common factor, and simplify the x terms to finish.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.